Welcome to the channel. Today we have a Shabad by Guru Tegh Bahadur Sahib Ji. So in our life we have agenda, mission. In any project we have one main work which is absolutely necessary and others are allied works, type we can say accessories. So it's all about priorities. So the teachings are all about right priorities. And I would also say that that is where the examination of the disciple lies. A Sikh means a disciple. The Guru gave teachings to have certain types of priorities. Whether a Sikh or a disciple has that priorities, adopts that priorities, is exactly where the examination of the disciple lies. And sometimes the time is there, like we have got some time to make the priorities, set the priorities right, but sometimes the time is really very short when we have to make the choice this way or that way. So the Shabad is like this: Ram Simar ye hai tere kaaj hai. So the main agenda of our life, in fact, is the spiritual upliftment, spiritual refinement, and spiritual satisfaction. And that is meditation, Ram Simar. Remember the name of the Lord. This is, in fact, the main work. Others are, this is necessary, others are just accessories, allied things. Maya ko sang tyag, Prabhu ki saran lag. So just leave the attachment with the Maya and come into the sanctuary of the Lord. So when we have to make this choice, that is the most difficult thing for a disciple. It is easy to go bow head before the Guru. It is easy to do other things, but what is not easy is just to have the right pluck when there are two options. We should hold on to the core values, to the meditation. That is where lies the real examination for a disciple. Maya ko sang tyag. So it is so difficult also. Prabhu ki saran lag. Jagat sukh maan mithya chutho sab saaj hai. And all the comforts of this world are just very temporary. The setup itself is very temporary. So this is actually the main sense. And further Babaji says, like a dream, supne jo dhan pashan, kahe par karatman. There is absolutely wastage, means useless to be proud of wealth, because the world is all like a dream. बारों की भीत जैसे बसुदा को राज है. Imagine a wall made up of sand dune, sand particles. Now imagine the strength or the stability of that wall. So such is the kingdom, the stability of kingdoms on this earth. And we do not even have kingdoms. We have very small setups. Now what would be the stability of such setups? They are just like a wall made up of sand particles. Baru ki bheet jaise Basuda ko raja. Basuda means earth. So the kingdom on the earth is, the stability is just similar to the stability of a wall made up of sand particles, dry sand particles that we have in the desert region, no? In Sahara, in Maru, Thar desert also, those dry particles. So such, if we make a wall, it is not stable. So such, even the kingdoms are not stable on this earth. Nanak jan kahat baat, bin jai hai tero gaat. So similarly, our life journey has to end one day. Chin chin kar gayo kaal. Yesterday also passed slowly, moment by moment. Similarly, this day will also pass. We should make use of our time, make use of our life. We should accomplish the main purpose. Ram Simar. So this meditation is the most important thing. That is in fact our work, main work. So this is the essence of Shabad. Now you can listen to the Kirtan of the Shabad. Vaheguru Ji ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji ki Fateh. Vaheguru Ji Ram Simar राम सिमर राम सिमर, राम सिमर राम सिमर, यह तेरे काज है, यह तेरे काज है, यह तेरे काज है। राम सिमर राम सिमर, राम सिमर राम सिमर, राम सिमर राम सिमर, राम सिमर। माया को संग त्याग, प्रभु जो के शरण लागो। माया को संग त्याग, प्रभु जो के शरण लाग। माया को संग त्याग, प्रभु जो के शरण लाग। जगत सुख मानु मिथ्या, झूठो सब साजु है। यह तेरे काज है, यह तेरे काज है, यह तेरे काज है। राम सिमर राम सिमर, राम सिमर राम सिमर, यह तेरे काज है, यह तेरे काज है। सुपने ज्यों धनु पछानो, धनु पछानो। सुपने ज्यों धनु पछानो, काहे पर कर तुम मानो। बारू की भीत जैसे, वसुधा को राज है। बारू की भीत जैसे, बारू की भीत जैसे, बारू की भीत जैसे, वसुधा को राज है। नानक जन कहत बात, नानक जन कहत बात, बिनस जय है तेरो गात। छिन छिन कर गयो काल, छिन छिन कर गयो काल, तैसो जात आज है। छिन छिन कर गयो काल, तैसो जात आज है। यह तेरे काज है, राम सिमर राम सिमर, राम सिमर राम सिमर, राम सिमर राम सिमर। यह तेरे काज है, यह तेरे काज है, यह तेरे काज है। नानक जन कहत बात, नानक जन कहत बात, बिनस जाहे तेरो गात। छिन छिन कर गयो काल, तैसे जात आज है। छिन छिन कर गयो काल, 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 तैसे जात आज है, तैसे जात आज है। राम सिमर 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 राम सिमर। यह तेरे काज है। सतनाम